Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into idea. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Abstraction, which means something which exists only as an idea. Abstraction. For example, his style of writing focuses on facts rather than abstractions. Number 2. Hypothesis, which means a supposition or proposed explanation made on the basis of limited evidence as a starting point for further investigation. Hypothesis. For example, his steady-state hypothesis of the origin of the universe. Number 3. Concept, which means an abstract idea. Concept. For example, the concept of society as an organic entity. Number 4. Perception, which means awareness of something through the senses. Perception. For example, the perception of pain. Number 5. Image, which means a mental representation or idea. Image. For example, I had a sudden image of Sal bringing me breakfast in bed. Number 6. Notion, which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, Claire had no notion of what he meant. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.